I probably pressed something. Oh, no. So.
What's up?
I don't know if we're in the frame. We are on our little road trip to upstate New York, to Pawling, New York. Upstate New York is a very broad term that us city folks use to really just say you're not in New York City, yes, but also not in Westchester County. I think after Westchester County, people just say upstate New York.
Yes. But to anyone in those given areas, we know that that is technically not upstate New York, and you're counting Buffalo and Albany and everything that's way up there as that. But you should know that people in New York City don't know where you live, and that is upstate. It was a long, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. We're going to go hang out with my coworker slash friend Brian, and we're going to meet his wife for the first time. And they are going to show us around their lovely colonial home in this lovely colonial town. And we're going to learn some history. We're going to walk the grounds, and we're going to get a deeper relationship with our friends, because, you know, you got to keep your infrastructure strong.
Yeah, and I've actually haven't met either of them, so this is going to be cool times, and we're staying over for the weekend. We got invited, and we're really excited, and we'll show you more soon.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
We've arrived.
It's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be.
We just got here.
Great outdoors.
Took a little longer than expected.
There's a couple
Forever free.
stuff, but we made it.
We made it. More to go.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I can take a picture while I'm doing the video.
We're just staying here.
Yeah, you can stand here.
Last night we watched a movie. Many of you probably know it, A Quiet Place, and this is the house that's in the movie. So we thought, since we were coming here, we might as well see the movie, and now we have. And now we can go back before a big alien thing comes and gets us. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.